Are you wondering how to get noticed at a party? How to stand out at social gatherings? Stop making a fool out of yourself by doing crazy stuff, playing funny pranks, and resorting to other stupid things. Whether it is a birthday party, school function, formal event, frat party, or a quaint little gathering at someone's home. In this video, we'll discuss some of the good ways to be the center of attention at a party. Welcome back to another episode of It Must Be College. No matter if you're looking for tips as you're about to go to college for the first time, or a 7th year senior wanting to learn some new tips and tricks, we have the best videos to help you make the most of your education and time at college. Get involved and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our newest uploads. Let's get started with today's episode. 1. Groom yourself before the party. Grooming is a core part of your body image, and you must take it seriously if you want to stand out at a social do. Apart from the usual shower, deodorant, and perfume routine, here are some specifics that guys and girls should consider. Tips for guys. Get a nice haircut. If you have long hair, style it so that it doesn't look shabby. Get rid of the unibrow. Don't forget the nose hair. If you have a beard or facial hair, trim it so that it looks attractive. Button up your shirt if you have a buzz on the chest. Trim your nails. Dirty nails are a big turnoff. Tips for girls. Tweeze, pluck, wax, or go to the salon to get unwanted facial hair removed. Keep makeup to a minimum unless it is an elaborate event, like a wedding or a formal function. Use as many natural beauty products as you can. 2. Wear something trendy, but not outrageous. A trendy style statement is a nice way to get noticed. Girls will instantly notice a well-dressed guy who stands out from the other drab fellas. Guys will also notice girls who are dressed to impress. While this post is not about giving fashion advice, here are some specifics you should remember to avoid making a faux pas. Tips for guys. Prefer a shirt over a t-shirt. Blue jeans are the safest bet when you are in two minds about your pants. Don't wear your pants too low. If you must wear drop crotch pants, don't let your underwear show. Avoid wearing brightly colored pants. Shoes with wear and tear are best avoided. Tips for girls. Style your hair whether you wear them straight, in curls, in waves, or in layers. Skinny jeans paired with a nice shirt or a ruffled top is a safe bet if you're not sure of what to wear. Wear heels and avoid flats as far as possible. Never wear a dress that you are not comfortable in. There is a fine line between looking hot and attractive in a nice way and looking trashy. Don't cross it. 3. Get the host a gift. Gifting will get you noticed instantly. Buying a nice gift for the host is a cool way to get noticed at any social gathering, whether it is a birthday, anniversary, wedding, or a formal function at work. Apart from being a good practice of social etiquette, gifting will impress even the bystanders. Whether it is a cute owl bracelet for a girl celebrating her 18th or lovely drinkware set as a wedding gift for newlyweds, the act of gifting will show that you know your etiquette inside out. Girls are really impressed when they see guys being considerate enough to get something nice for the host. Gifting can never go wrong unless you buy a very, very cheap gift. 4. Make a confident entry. Getting noticed at a party is all about making an entrance that grabs attention. Here are some tips. Make sure you are looking your best. Don't look down. Keep a straight back. Don't slouch. Keep both your hands by your sides. Don't smile unnecessarily, unless you are greeting someone. Be comfortable and allow yourself in. Don't wait for too long at the door or the entrance of a room. A handy attention-grabbing trick is to have someone with you as you enter a party. Whether that person is your friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, or colleague, having someone by your side will always grab more eyeballs. 5. Greet the host and the people you recognize. Once you make your way into the party, don't linger around all by yourself or wait for someone to come and talk to you. Walk over to greet the host, smile, and greet everyone else you recognize in the room. Casual parties are all about warm hugs, fist bumps, high fives, and other fun stuff. Handshakes and kisses on the cheek are more suited for formal occasions. 6. Make eye contact with other people. Getting guys and girls to notice you at a party doesn't just end at meeting people who you already know. Step up your social quotient by making eye contact with other people in the room too. Bumping into interesting people, new introductions, and being approached by others. These are just some of the few possibilities in store when you look around. Make eye contact and smile. 7. Don't be too shy. Open up and mingle with other people. Don't go to a party only to find the quietest corner in the room to sit and fiddle around with your iPhone. The only time you will ever be noticed doing that is if you are in the VVIP area of a nightclub, hogging on the most expensive seats in the house. Mingle with other people and be friendly with those who give you a good vibe. Don't be shy and shed all your inhibitions for a few moments. If you are somewhat of an introvert and find it hard to take a step forward, the easiest way to get yourself to open up at a party is to hook on to someone like-minded. Lose yourself in the most quirky conversations so that you are totally at ease. 8. Be confident, but don't be aggressively confident. Most self-help guides will tell you that high self-confidence is a must if you really want to stand out from the crowd at a party or a social gathering. While that is true to a certain extent, pushing the confidence envelope beyond a certain point can make you look obnoxious. Confidence is a priceless personality asset, but it can work against you if you ooze too much of it. Overconfidence will give off an aggressive vibe, and people will be put off from approaching you. Girls don't like it when guys put on a totally needless, aggressive, and brash display of confidence. These guys are generally labeled as jerks. Even guys find it hard to approach girls who put on a fake facade of overconfidence and walk around as if they were the only one in the room. 9. Do something cool, but don't do something crazy. The best way to get noticed at a party is to do something really cool to grab everyone's attention. It could be an awesome dance move or a joke that sends everyone into fits of laughter. However, there is a fine line between doing something cool and doing something crazy. Don't cross this line, or else you may end up making a fool out of yourself. 10. Don't overindulge in drinks and food. Overindulging is a classic way to get noticed, but in a bad way. Other people at the party will make fun of you by encouraging you to have more drinks in the anticipation that you will do something stupid. Enjoy the party and don't be a party pooper by refusing anything that comes your way. But at the same time, be on your guard and make sure that you don't overindulge. 11. Have fun. You will be a people magnet if you portray a fun image. At every party, there are people who steal the limelight despite not being the best dressed. The secret to them being the center of attention is quite simple. They have fun. You too can be the life of a party by simply being cheerful and bubbly. Take to people, make jokes, and carry a mile-wide smile. When others see you at the center of fun conversations, smiles, and laughter, people will automatically be pulled towards you. 12. Meet the host before leaving. Regardless of whether the party is a formal event or a casual do at someone's home, never leave without meeting the host. Apart from the courtesy of saying thanks, meeting the host will get you noticed by everyone who is standing around. The host is likely to be busy entertaining other people. You will have to politely interrupt and say your goodbyes. Make sure you are looking your best when you make this subtle and delicate interruption. Pull the host away from the group, smile as you give your thanks, and excuse yourself gracefully from the party. 13. Don't be the last one to leave. Unless you are at a social gathering hosted by your closest family member or your best friend, try to avoid being the last one to leave. The moment you leave a party says a lot about your personality, and the timing can make or break your last impression. Plan your exit in a way that you leave after the early sleepers and the boring folk, but before the host's closest entourage. Make sure you have a friend or two by your side till the very last minute. With that, we've reached the end of this episode all about top tips on how to stand out at a party. Do you guys know of some more fantastic ways to stand out at parties that work for you? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up for us. Also, if you want to see more awesome content all about college life, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. As always, thanks for watching. See you again soon in the next one.